Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at my, this is my Yamaha Yz250fx. This is the 2016. My last video I just changed out the seat cover, and I just got these like number plate panels. They're blue and black instead of the white and black. So I want to try these on there and see how they look. And I'm thinking with the darker seat it might look a little better than the white. So we're going to get these put on. To take off the old ones, it's simple. There's just a little 8 millimeter hex bolt here, and like an Allen bolt, and then two 8 millimeter bolts right here. 1, 2, so just 3 bolts, and this just pulls off. Old one's off, and I'm just looking over the new one here. It has these little rubber grommets. The old ones didn't have this. I don't know if they just fell off, but it's nice they have these little rubber grommets to keep the bolt from like pulling through the plastic. So I'm going to get those mounted up. We'll see how it looks. All right, just test fitting this up here. Just a word on those spacers. It looks like it just goes on this bottom part here, where it hooks onto the exhaust on this bottom one. It looks like that spacer just pushes into this hole, because when I set it up here for alignment, it sits flush against this top hole and this hole here, but there's a gap. And that spacer kind of takes up that gap. So I'm just going to put the bolt through there and mount it. There's no instructions at all, so I'm just kind of guessing on this. But I like the look. I like the look of the blue and the black on there. Let me know what you think of that. All right, left side's only got 2 bolts, just the 8 millimeter hex here, and then the small 8 millimeter bolt right there. Okay, got both sides bolted on. They went on good. The fit's good. This was the only set I used, that little grommet right behind there where it hooks on the exhaust. The other side I didn't use those grommets, so I'm not sure where you're supposed to use both. But I might need to change, if I'm changing this to blue, I might need to change this shroud right here. But anyways, thanks for watching the channel. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks.